Nag-walk-in guys ako. Medyo may problema yung mata ko. Kailangan ma-check up to guys. Hindi ako makatulog kagabi. Nag-swollen siya guys. Parang meron siyang pimples. Uliti guys. Hi guys. Good morning. Dito ako sa family doctor. Na-check up ko guys yung mata ko guys. Medyo nagkaroon ng konting parang pimples. Busy na kaagad, walk-in lang ako guys. Family doctor guys, pa-check up ko yung mata ko. Waiting, still waiting. I do only walk-in. So ito guys yung ilalagay ko sa aking eyes. Sabi ng doctor, you should wash your hands 4 times, 5 times a day. Always wash your hands. Don't touch your eyes. So, ito guys. So, lalagay ko yan before bedtime. Itong isa naman, ipapatak ko yan ng 3 times a day. Kailangan ko na guys ng antibiotics. Ito yan oh. Walang bayad yan guys. Free. Prevention is better than cure. So guys, free yan. Free yan from my benefits guys. Benefits ng asawa ko. Insurance ng asawa ko. Insurance ko. Okay guys. Vlog for today. Prevention is better than cure. Thanks for watching guys and have a nice day. Bye bye.